Are you worried about your future? Your job? Marriage? Studies? You plan every step. Yet nothing feels guaranteed. Remember this.
ومن يتوكل على الله فهو حسبه إن الله بالغ أمره قد جعل الله لكل شيء قدرا.
And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. Indeed, Allah will accomplish His purpose. Allah has already set for everything a decreed measure. Islam doesn't tell us to sit and wait. It tells us, work, plan, tie your camel. But once you've done your part, let go of the fear. Because the outcome was already written by Allah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, if you rely upon Allah with true reliance, He will provide for you as He provides for the birds. They leave their nests hungry in the morning, and return full in the evening. The birds don't sit still. They fly, they search, they strive. But their rizq is guaranteed. So plan for your future. Study, work, save, dream. But don't drown in anxiety. Your future is safe with the One who already wrote your destiny. Comment, my future is in Allah's hands. Save this to remind yourself whenever you feel anxious about tomorrow. Follow for daily Quranic motivation.